Hey everyone, in today's video, I wanted to show you how to send and receive money using Cash App. It allows you to send and receive money to just about anybody for free. So this code you see on the page, and I'll link it in the description as well. If you click it, we both get $5 for you to sign up. So if you don't have Cash App yet, go ahead and use the code so you get that free $5. Otherwise, you could just use the Cash App here inside of the App Store or the Google Play Store and go ahead and download it. And let's go ahead and open the app. Usually the opening page is this green page, the money page here, where you could request and pay. So let me show you this page first. So let's say you wanted to pay. Let's say I wanted to pay $5. I could just press $5 here and then press pay. And then you'll come to this page where it says who do you want to send it to and what is it for. So you just type these lines and it'll go ahead and send it. Now you could use someone's name, you could use their cash tag, which I'll show you where to find, their phone number for a text, or their email. All those options are available, and then you could type in the description of what you're paying for. And on top where it says $5, if you press that, it's gonna say where it's going out from. It's gonna go from either a bank account that you're connected or your cash balance. I'll show you how to set up these two in a second. So let me come out of here. To request money, same thing, press request. And again, I type in the amount, the same $5, and it's the exact same thing. You send it to someone and you say what it's for and you press request. So that's all it takes right here on this page to send and receive. If you press the box on top here, you could use it to scan someone's code. So if they show you their code here, you could go ahead and scan it, or you could press my code here and see your code on this page. You could also press the profile option here, and then you could see that cash code here, the one that it was asking for on the previous page. You could see that on this page as well. Now that we know how to request money and pay other people, let's look at some of the options on the bottom of the page. So the home icon basically shows you your available balance, where you could add cash or cash out your balance. Then on the bottom of that, you have cash, Bitcoin, and the bank. In this case, I pressed add credit card and added my Chase credit card to it. So you could do the same thing, add a credit card. And if you use this option and you use a credit card, it will have a 3% fee because it's using a major credit card. But if you use the bank option, you could connect your bank account here and you don't have to worry about paying any fees. Or you could press the cash option and add a cash balance here, again from your bank account, so you don't have to worry about any fees. So that's what you see on this home page. Next to it, you have that credit card option, which gives you the cash card. Now the cash card, if you press get free cash card, lets you create a card that they're gonna give you, and every time you use that card, you're gonna get different rewards, like 10% off each visit at Chipotle or Taco Bell, for example. So you could learn more about that here. Then you have the cash option, which I showed you already. Next to that, you could basically buy and sell Bitcoin. So if you're using the app for that, you could simply buy and sell Bitcoin, and it shows you the Bitcoin price here. And then finally on the corner, you have your activities tab, which I'm gonna blur out because this shows all my activities that I've used on this app. And that's all you need to know about using the Cash App. Again, you could download it and get free $5 using the link below, and I think you'll find it really easy to use. If you wanted some other resources, there is Venmo and there's PayPal, two other apps I really like for sending and receiving money. And you could check out the videos on this channel about those two apps. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.